Hi everyone, Priscilla here at the 1870, and I am so excited to tell you I have switched around the studio a bit, and I've set up two permanent spaces here that you can pop in anytime when we're open on the Saturday or Sunday, and you can make alcohol ink tiles. We have every color of alcohol ink. You can choose to make canvases. While supplies last, you can do these cute deer and little tiles, 2 for $5. We have all the things that you're going to put on them afterwards. We have jewelry findings for these ones. I'm going to show you some of the finished things that we have too. When you do your tile making here, when you come in and do the alcohol ink workshop, you don't need to book for it. It includes all the supplies, and then we finish it off with spraying with Kmart spray. So you will take your work of art along with you, and it will have the little bumps on it. And our prices are really great for doing this. You don't have to book. Let me show you some of the finished things you can do. So it's only $5 for you to make 2 of these cute little pins. You can do anything you want on these cute little ceramic tile pins. You can do alcohol ink on a set of coasters, glass coasters with cushions on the bottom, and they stack and store, and there's different kinds for you to choose from. You can do tiles, different shapes and sizes. These are lots of ones that I've done that you can check out for inspiration. And you can also do alcohol ink on glass. It's super cool, super fun. There's one, here's another. And the prices are great to come in and do these workshop projects. You're going to have so much fun. And the possibilities really are endless what you can do with alcohol ink. Look here. Hey, hi, there's me in a mirror. You can even do some cool frames and things we have with alcohol inks. You can really get creative. You can do canvases in alcohol ink, abstract kind of canvases, anything you want, really. Inspiration abounds in the studio. Come in and do this pop-in workshop, and you can choose lots of different elements of it. And not only do you choose what project you're making, you choose different sizes of canvases that we have, different things that will be changing all the time. So you definitely want to check out our alcohol ink workshop. Watch for it. It won't be an event. You want to follow the 1870 studio page on Facebook, and we use only Marabou alcohol inks here, and we have all the colors. They're awesome.